In this video guys, I'm gonna show you how you can create your Amazon affiliate link just in few minutes. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do first is you should have an account like this one on Amazon. So I already have an account with Amazon affiliate like this one, as you can see, and it's showing $0 in my commission. I just created this account and I want to show you guys how you can create your Amazon affiliate link. Okay, so let's get started. What you need to do first, for beginners, if you want to join Amazon affiliate, go to Google, search for Amazon affiliate, click on the second link over here, Amazon associate over here, and you just need to follow a few steps, and that's all. After you finish, this will be your Amazon affiliate account, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so to create your Amazon affiliate link, what you need to do is you just need to go to amazon.com like this. Okay, and scroll down and choose which product you want to promote. So for example, let's see, I want to promote, for example, this product over here. I'm gonna just click on the product like this and you will be in this page. So let's choose, for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So I'm gonna click on this one like this. So just go to the products page that you want to promote like this. Okay, so for example, you want to promote this product over here. Okay, what you need to do is you just need to click over here on text. So if you already have an account with Amazon affiliate, you should see this bar over here on your account. Okay, click over here on text like this. Okay, so just click on text and here you go, text link generated. This is your Amazon affiliate link. It's already created for you. What you will do, you just need to copy this link like this and you need to go and promote this link in your website. That's how you can create Amazon affiliate links. Thank you so much for watching guys. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.